Hello, let me show you all camera settings and features that you can find on the Samsung Galaxy A57. So first of all, let's start from the left side. We are going to move from the left to the right. So we can find this fun mode that simply apply some filters and we can basically pick them. There's like a lot of different filters. You can even search for them if you are connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data. You can just simply download them. And now we can just also use zoom feature, but that looks the same for every mode. So I'm going to show you actually how it looks in the photo mode. Now we can find the portrait mode, and here we can adjust the background blur. And here, as I told you, we're going to talk about this when you go for the photo mode. And here we are. First of all, we can find ultra wide angle. This is the main lens, and also macro lens 2x. We can zoom in up to the 10 times, but now when you go for some settings, we can find flashlight, camera timer between 2 or 10 seconds, aspect ratio. We can enable 50 megapixel mode to get more details. We can adjust exposure manually from -2 into +2. Right here we can take live photos. We can also find a lot of different filters that change how this photos looks. And here we can find some smoothness effects for our face. We can also change shape and size of our eyes, jawline, skin tone, and that smooth effect. Now let's move for a video mode. And the video mode, what you can find the ultra stabilization, option to change resolution, 4K 30 frames per second, Full HD 30 and 60, HD 30. Important thing, when you go for the 4K, you cannot use ultra wide angle, but in the Full HD 30 you can, but in the 60 you can't. And it looks the same in the photo mode. When you enable 50 megapixel photo mode, you cannot use ultra wide angle. In the more modes, we can find just a normal Pro mode. There is Pro Video mode, there is dedicated night mode. We can also find food mode, panorama mode, macro mode, super slow motion, hyperlapse. And now let's go into the settings. So what we can find in the settings, option to scan documents, scan QR code, shot suggestions, scene detections, some filters that I already show you, HDR, high efficiency pictures, camera watermark. We can add date, time, stamp into the photos. We can also change its name, font, alignment. We can also find the high efficiency videos, auto frames per second, video stabilization, some audio options, 360 audio recording, audio playback. We can also save videos to external storage. Right here we can find composition guide, location tags, selfie mirroring, option to switch preview up and down, shotting methods, like we can adjust function of the volume buttons. We can find volume comments. We can also find a floating shutter button that looks like that. We can also take a selfie by showing the palm of the hand. And what is next when you go to the settings? Of course, make sure that you are gonna switch to the rear camera, because in the rear camera we can find more options. Some settings to keep. There's also camera vibrations. There's hidden camera assistant mode that unlocks a lot of features, for example, the single take mode, but you will have to first download it on your phone. There's also this fun mode that you can hide, and we can also reset camera.